to the channel, and today is Coyote Goodness Day. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have my car, we have Dover's car, and we have Todd's car. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to get Todd's car out because Dover's transmission isn't acting right. Obviously, mine's in about 1 million pieces, so Todd's is the only one. So that's going to be what's up. Your first ride in the Coyote Swap Fox.
It was pretty nice.
Yeah?
Needs a tire. Spins too much.
Yeah, it was smoking some serious tires.
Yeah. It's got some pull. It's got some pull. I need to ride in one with some traction now.
Nah, yeah, for real, definitely. But yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice little Fox pull today while we wait on parts. Had to get Todd's car out. We actually got Todd's car here. We're gonna check on the throttle body. It was sticking, and his tires are rubbing bad, so we got to put another tire on the back of it. But yeah, it moves out. It freaking rolls. All right, so yes, as I alluded to earlier, we're waiting on parts. There's no parts here for Mr. Hanky or my car, but actually Cody's car is still in the shop. Got the caster camera plates on it, got it all straightened up. But you know, it's just part of the game, waiting on parts, and the control packs keep getting pushed back. And that's one of the most frustrating things about it, because truly enough, the wagon could have been done quite a while ago if we had the control pack, but unfortunately just got to play the waiting game. So yeah, so we're just out causing shenanigans and doing all kinds. Holy God. And it's raining. Yeah, that's bad because we got a whole lot of cars out here. We got to do something. Okay, so yeah, it just all of a sudden started raining really hard. Of course, my car was out there totally naked. We got Cody's out, got mine in. We caught Ken's wrist. Hopefully he's okay. Ken, you good? He's good. Okay. Yeah, because as we were pushing it in, we had to turn the wheel because there's no steering wheel in the car, no steering shaft. And Ken managed to get his arm caught in there because the car was rolling. We couldn't stop it. So hopefully Ken's okay. Everything else okay. She's a little wet, but we'll clean her up. And yeah, definitely. But that was a little scary. But yeah, so now I guess we get to just stand here and watch it rain for a few minutes. So I don't know. Cody, we need some entertainment. Yeah.
I don't know.
Tell us about your sweat rag.
The sweat rag? Oh man, this old girl, she's been with me for years.
Look at that.
The love.
Yes.
The love that we've got.
I'm telling you, it's beautiful.
You just can't. We're inseparable.
That's right. That's right.
It's beautiful.
And you saw it here first. All right, guys. So just like that, it has actually stopped raining. That's how it is in Tennessee. It'll rain for like 5 minutes and be gone. But there was a couple of things that I actually had not given you updates on. If you're a regular on the channel, which you should be, because I do all these videos in sequence. Number one is the shop. The only thing we're waiting on now is concrete, and then it'll go up. And yeah, so they're taking their sweet time, but it is what it is. So there is the shop. It will be done shortly. But actually, there is 2 new additions out here in the collection. As you can see, this is kind of like the Foxbody graveyard, which you saw those 4 kind of in the back. So this is new car number 1. This is a 93 GT, came out of Memphis. And yeah, it's a little rough, as you can see, but is a sunroof car. Was black interior car. It's sort of still there. But then, of course, you had some Nimrod that cut a hole in the hood for no apparent reason. But it's got some good parts on it. Not sure what we're going to do with it, but yeah, here it is. Just kind of hanging out with nothing working under the hood. So who knows? Who knows what we're going to do with this car? Maybe parts, I don't know. It's needs quite a bit, but same token, we got a lot of parts to fix it up to. So the 93 GT, just kind of chilling here. She is rough, but is what it is. Okay, so another addition that we picked up is this 86 GT. This one's rough too. Yes, it's rough. Former race car. Actually had quite a bit done. There's the line lock. But actually has quite a bit done. It's got spherical bushings in the back, anti-roll bar. I don't know if you can see it or not. Well, yeah, it's got an anti-roll bar in it, and build 8.8 and all that. But also has a roll cage. Former race car. Got some old school racing seats. And don't know what we're going to do with this one. This car would actually be a really good foundation for a race car because the torque boxes are done. It's got, you know, like I said, the anti-roll bar, spherical axle bushings, all that. The roll cage. So what we're probably going to do is just get this one back rolling and, you know, just sell it to somebody who wants to build a race car. Super cool 4i race car. But, yeah, there it is. Not sure what this one's fate will be, but promise it'll go to a good home and hopefully be built properly. Okay guys, so we're admittedly a little bored because we're waiting on parts and it kind of rained and now it's even hotter. Yes, we're sweaty as shit, but so we were looking for volunteers to do burnouts. Cody said, why not? So here we go. Well guys, as you can see, it's not good when we get bored because tires end up getting roasted, but you know, it is one of those things where you gotta do something, right? I mean, geez, can't drive my car, so gotta do something. Anyway, enough of all that. Hopefully this week we will get a gang of parts and we're gonna get back on these builds hard and heavy. I promise you, it will not be long until the first fire of my car, Mr. Hanky. You know, it's just, we're just waiting on parts for these two cars. And they will be here soon, I promise. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And we'll be hitting the drag strip late. Not too long. Dyno. Yeah. Little street action. Never know. But that's for another day. Later, guys.